You can factory reset your Samsung Galaxy S9 in two ways. You can go to settings and you will need to scroll down. You can go to about phone. Then in about phone here you will see the reset at the bottom. Then you click on reset here, and here is where you can perform your factory reset. To select factory data reset, lose every single thing. As you can see, it is stated here, all your data will be erased from your phone, including your Google account and the following. So that's how you can quickly reset your device. And I am going to show you another way how you can factory reset your Samsung Galaxy S9. This way is indeed the hard reset. You will need to hold down the power button there and the volume up right there, and this button right here, which is the Bixby button here. So you need to hold them together. I am going to show you how. So I am currently holding the power button here and the two buttons here. So you want to hold until you see the screen is going into recovery mode. You will see this blue screen right here. So we are now inside recovery mode here. And if you want to perform a factory reset, you can navigate using the power button. You can also use the touch as well, and you can hit here, wipe data factory reset, and that's how you reset your device, guys. And then you reboot your device, your phone will start up normally, and that's how you can factory reset your device. Bear in mind that in resetting your device, problems can occur, so you are doing this at your own risk. I am Lens. Subscribe to my channel for more tech videos. I'm out.